For some weird unknown reason, people still would like to talk to people sometimes. So what this means is when the AI is not good enough or you want a human touch or the personal connection, then you really want the person to help you. So today we are announcing live chat in Molin for this exact reason. So what this means is if your customer wants to talk to a human and you enable this feature, then Molin will transfer the customer to you and you can take over as the person and solve the problems or talk to the customer. So for this feature, we actually added a lot of pages inside Molin. So there's a new conversations page called inbox. There's a new integrations page called integrations, and there's a new profile page for your profile picture and name setup. So let's get started. This is the new inbox page. It's right in the top, so you will never miss it. As you can see, if you go into AI chatbot, there's no more conversations page because it became the inbox page. So the inbox page is as it was before. There are more things coming in the detail side, but the biggest difference is there's this input box here, and I can enable live chat. I can enable live chat in the integrations page too, but I can just click on this and go. So if I click on this, then I get to the integrations page. And it's super simple. The only thing that you need to do is enable it, pick the times, and that's it. So to enable this, I will click the main toggle button and also pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because we are working only weekdays. And we are actually open from 8 to 6, that's good, but on Friday we are closing early, we're open until 2 only, so I'm changing that one. And you can actually set any times you want and save. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, so to test this, I'm actually going to open a new page and go back to inbox, and I will just message my own chatbot. I will say I want to talk to a human. Sure thing, I just need your name and email to connect with you, a human agent. So Molin always asks the user to provide the name and the email address so you don't get any spam. So let's assume that I'm going to say that I'm Sam and my email is sam@molin.ai. And then the human agent will be with you shortly. So as you can see, there's a support request coming up. I've got the dot as well. So I can just click on that and I can accept or reject this. So before you accept this, I assume you are going to read the conversations, but let's say that's all you see. So to accept the conversation, I can just say accept. And bam, you are now connected to Benedek, your support agent. How can we assist you today? And if I go back, this is actually what happened. And I will say, hello, how can I help you? So if I go back, hello, how can I help you? I want to return an item. Okay, so this was sent, this tick shows it to you. And if I go back, I can see I want to return an item. So basically that's it. It is a working live chat. You can handle this. And if you want to not handle this, or if you finished, you can just hand it back to the AI. So, and live chat, and then Molin is handling it, relax. So if you go back to the personality page, then thank you for chatting with us. The session has now ended. If you have any more questions in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out. Done. So basically you solved the issue. How are you? And then the AI is working again. So basically it is super simple. And also there are amazing new features coming to live chat. So this is the worst as it's going to get. We are going to give you a lot of help in the way of communicating with the users. So stay tuned for that one.